In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Forms quickly and easily. If you've ever found yourself staring at a Google form that's defaulting to a language you don't understand, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the straightforward process that will have you customizing your form language in no time. First, let's pave our way to Google Drive. Head over to your web browser and open up Google Drive. This is essentially the heart of all your Google Docs, Sheets, and of course Forms. Once you're comfortably settled into Google Drive, the next step is to guide your attention towards the Apps section. This is where you'll find access to all your Google tools conveniently lined up. Now within this collection of useful apps, look for Google Forms. If you cater to specific languages frequently, having quick access to Forms will save you time in the future. Click on the Google Forms icon and it will open up a new window presenting you with all the forms you have either created or have access to. Now let's select the form you want to work on. By browsing through your collection or using the search bar for efficiency, select your preferred form. Once you have your form up and running, right-click anywhere within the Google Form page. This is where the magic begins. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice an option to translate the page to English. Click on this option. The form language might not always default to English, but English often acts as a great intermediary step as we adjust it to the specific language we desire. Now we tap into the power of the Google Translate extension. Towards the top right side of your browser window, you'll see the Google Translate icon. This handy tool is going to allow us to seamlessly swap languages according to your needs. Click on the three dots next to the Google Translate icon to access additional options. Look for and select the option labelled Choose Another Language. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a variety of languages to choose from. Browse through the list and select the language you'd like your form to be displayed in. It's fascinating how the click of a button can switch an entire document into a completely different language. Once you've selected your language, an option to translate will appear. Click on it to implement your chosen language for the Google form, and there you have it. Your Google form is now translated into the language of your choice. I hope this guide was helpful and that you won't need to worry about language barriers in your Google Forms anymore. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Happy form editing.